Creating a cleaner world has become more compelling than ever. Societies are now seeking greater energy security and flexibility, and the world is calling for energy companies to step up and meet that need. People want immediate action, but the energy transition needs a balanced approach, perhaps nowhere more so than with hydrogen. Green hydrogen is going to be crucial in our transition to a cleaner energy future. It can provide powerful energy, carry renewable energy, and reduce carbon in hard-to-abate industries. And because it's the most abundant element in the universe, we can sustainably rely on it. But there are significant challenges. Maintaining a reliable power supply while new forms of energy are introduced into the grid is critical. And scaling hydrogen production up fast to the supply levels needed while scaling down the costs to make it viable is no small task. So new ecosystems are being developed. New sources of green energy will comprise the future energy mix. ABB is uniquely positioned to lead this charge, with proven solutions for driving energy, project and process efficiencies to drive down cost, and a long history of technological innovation, project engineering excellence, and deep energy knowledge. Hydrogen is core to our clean energy future, so we need all ecosystem players to come together to accelerate its adoption. Let's move forward with a shared sense of urgency. Working together, we can use hydrogen to balance the energy equation.